All right, there is Oso Flaco. There's the parking lot, and that's what I gotta traverse to get there. Over and out.
Behold the man after 8 miles through the dunes.
Show me the way to go home.
He lives.
I'm tired and I want to go to bed. I had too much to hike yesterday, and
okay
it went
there?
right to my head.
What do you think?
I think it was
Roscoe?
rough. I think it was rough, buddy.
Do you
you
feel
know
like
what?
trash?
I feel like I've been trashed.
Do you feel like... Never mind, I won't say
I've
it.
been like I got poison oaked.
Oh!
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I'm
no.
gonna be doing the old shower thing when I get home.
Well,
Quickly.
I guess we should go,
Where I
huh?
bushwhacked. Yeah.
Alright, any
So-
last words for the video?
Yeah. Hey. Oh, hi. Bad Dad Jokes here.
Oh!
Yeah. So this is Oso Flaco, and I was Oso Flaco for trying to get to here from my house because the snowy plovers wiped me out. They got the beach closed down. Anyway, y'all want a joke? I'll give you a joke. I'll give you a bad dad joke. So, why do seagulls resist flying over bays? Because if they flew over bays, they'd be bagels!
Nice.
And this is a twofer.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So
Two for one.
what's the other
If they're
one?
both half funny, that makes almost the whole
That's
joke.
almost the whole joke, huh? All right, so I'm close to the Pacific Ocean. You can't tell. But you know, telecommunications, the mammal that's the best at it in the whole wide world. Do you know what it is? Whales. You never heard of a podcast? All right, let's go.
Alright, wow. We got pretty good joke of the day today.
I think so. And I'm pretty wiped out too, dude. Oh man, that was rough.
Dude,
Oh, I'm just...
you're gnarly. Whole
That's
joke.
almost the whole joke, huh? So what's the other one? I can't remember. Give me the start of it, Steven.
Pod.
Oh yeah, there you go. Well, that's not what you tell people.
Oh,
You
dang it.
blew it.
I could
You
cut
blew
that out,
one.
actually.
Cut that out. Okay. All right. So